homies, thanks for checking out another episode. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brena, but the pals call me Honeybee. This week's episode is all about Coachella hair. I'm on vacation right now in Tulum, so this is my Tulum hair, my vacay hair. I'm gonna go lounge by the pool after this, catch some rays, you know what I mean? If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love ya. This hairstyle is going to be off a center part. I think it would work best off of that. So if you have a side part your hair in the center, just straight back like that. What you want to do is put your finger at the top of your ear and your other finger at the crown here. And we are going to trace our comb from this finger to this finger. And remember what this show's about, guys, is doing your best, not being perfect. Have a look in the mirror, see if you like your section. This section is actually a little big for me, so I'm going to take a little bit off, doing the same technique, but I'm going to use my finger this time. See where your part is here? Trace that down all the way to the top of your ear. Man, I turned off that AC and I'm sweating already. Now, getting your hair organized like this is just going to make the whole job way easier. If this back hair is like dangling in the way, you're going to accidentally be grabbing it and you're going to get really off. So you can use a mousse. I'm going to use a hairspray. You want to dirty up your hair a little bit. My hair's a little greasy, but to get this ponytail to hold better, I'm going to add some product. Use a wet brush or like any kind of brush. It doesn't really matter. And brush your hair back. We're going to start with 2 pigtails. So I want them to sit kind of like right here, like just above your crown. If you want a really snatched look, use a comb after, like this. Comb it taut, baby. Woo! I'm just gonna use little elastics. So the reason I'm in Tulum, obviously vacay, baby. Manitoba sucks this time of year. Well, it's supposed to be nice, but it's not. I am doing hair for 3 weddings while I'm out here, and I'm gonna be doing some balayage as well. You wanna use an elastic that's most similar to your hair color. Or you could use like a ponytail like this, but it'll be a little more chunky. Ooh, she looking cute, baby. When you put this one back, you want to make sure it's even with this one. You want to kind of be like, okay, yeah, this is about the spot, you know? Or if you're looking in a mirror, do this in your bathroom in front of the mirror. It'd be way easier. Oh my gosh, even like this, boom, hairstyle done if you're being lazy. If you want to be a little more unique, keep watching. See, when you pay attention to how even they are, you just kill it right off the bat. I'm going to be doing a rope braid and a regular braid, both in this piece. But if you want, you could do 1 braid, you could leave it. You could do 2 braids that are different sizes, 1 big braid, 1 little braid. So I've already done 2 weddings. The hardest thing about doing hair here is getting curls to hold because there's so much humidity. It's like 70% humidity. And use a little elastic to secure it at the ends. I think I want the ends to kind of be like that. I'm kind of over, dude. I was telling Carly, my coworker, that I look like a serial killer in these glasses. What do you guys think? Actually, let me just describe what I'm doing. So I'm twisting both sections of hair in the same direction. So I'm twisting them this way to the right, and then when I cross them each other, I'm going to cross to the left. So twist to the right, cross to the left, 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 twist to the right, cross to the left. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope it's cute. I'm a little nervous. What do you guys think? Oh my god. She's here? She's here to stay? That's cute as f. Okay, and how quick was that? Man, I feel like we're knocking this out. Maybe I should just chill. I feel like I chill. I feel like I got all the time in the world. You know what I'm saying? And if they're not even, like, don't worry about it. You could have like a smaller braid here. It doesn't have to be perfect with the side. It's more of a funky hairstyle. Because we're funky. Can't you tell by my shirt? We feel funky. She's nice and brushed out. Split it into 2. Make sure they're even as possible. And we're gonna twist to the right like this. Twist to the right, cross to the left. Twist to the right, cross to the left. Honestly, saying that's keeping me freaking on track too. Baby. I love this vacation hair, baby. So this is the best freaking look because it's so quick. So if you want, you can wave your hair or crimp it. I'm in Tulum, so it is just so hot and humid that my waves would just fall out right away, and I don't care. I want to get out of here. This is me carrying it up, so I'm just gonna put a little hairspray in the rest of my hair for some body. Good to go. So that's the final look, guys. You can see the 2 different braids here. Any other styles you want me to try, want me to show you, let me know. Easy peasy and entertaining. Okay, homies, thanks so much for watching this week's episode. If you have any questions, drop them in that comment box below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, support a homie. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.